Assalamu alaikum, my dear audience. Welcome to our English learning channel. English speaking practice conversation sentences class number 4. Today is class is 4, in which in this class you can practice conversation sentences. Okay, let's start today our lesson. Don't miss this lesson and practice again and again. Practice makes the perfect man. Don't forget this and start today lesson. Where is Asim? Where is Asim? Ali asked Sarah, where is Asim? He is in his room. He is in his room. Sarah says he is in his room. Ali, what is he doing? What is he doing? Sarah, he is sleeping. He is sleeping. Is he all right? Ali, is he all right? Sarah, he is not feeling well. He is not feeling well. Ali, what happened to him? What happened to him? What happened to him? Sarah, he has high fever. He has high fever. Ali, did he catch cold? Did he catch cold? Sarah, yes, he has been playing in the rain. Yes, he has been playing in the rain. Ali, has he taken medicine? Has he taken medicine? Sarah, yes, he has. Yes, he has. Ali, we should take him to the doctor. We should take him to the doctor. Sarah, I don't think it is required. Sarah, I don't think it is required. Ali, but why not? But why not? Sarah, he is getting better now. He is getting better now. He is getting better now. Ali, thank God. Sarah, don't worry, he will get well soon. He will get well soon. Don't worry, he will get well soon. Ali says, if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Sarah said, don't forget to subscribe our channel. My dear audience, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channels and like and share with your friends, because I will give you a new lesson with new video.